Hello and welcome to this Checkmate in 2 chess puzzle. This one was created by James Mason in 1877. See, black has the king, 3 pawns, a rook, a bishop and a queen. White has the king at the top, a pair of rooks, a pair of bishops, pawn, knight and queen. It's white's turn. Can you see the checkmate in 2? If you check the king by moving the queen to c6, it is a mated 2 if black blocks with the rook, because then you can move the queen into checkmate in 2. However, black can avoid the checkmate in 2 by moving the king to e5. And then you can follow up with another queen check, but that can be blocked with the rook. And then you only get a checkmate in 3 by moving the queen to e7. Moving the knight to d4 is another checkmate in 3, but not 2. Black can push the pawn. You can then check with the queen, but the king has an escape square, so it's not a mate in 2. And then you can move the queen in for the mate in 3. Moving the rook to f1 isn't a checkmate in 2. The king has an escape square, or you can follow up with a queen check. The king has escape squares, then you can move in to e7 or f5 to only checkmate in 3. Let's have a look at the solution to this one, so pause the video if you need more time. To checkmate in 2 for white, you need to move the rook to d5. If black pushes the e-pawn, you can then move the f-rook to f5 to do a reveal checkmate in 2. If black pushes the f-pawn, you can take the pawn on e3 with the rook to checkmate in 2. If black moves the queen to f1, you can take it with the rook to do a reveal checkmate in 2. If the black king takes the rook on d5, you can then move the rook to e3 to checkmate in 2. That's it for this puzzle. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.